Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS IAM Access Analyzer for unused permissions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate AWS IAM Access Analyzer for unused permissions, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, navigate to the IAM service. In the left sidebar, look for the option labeled Access Analyzer. Click on Access Analyzer to open the feature. Next, you'll see an option to create a new analyzer. Select the Create Analyzer button. You'll need to specify a name for your analyzer. Choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Under Analyzer Type, select Account-wide. This setting allows you to analyze permissions across your entire AWS account. Next, review the default settings for your analyzer. You can adjust them if needed, but the default settings are generally sufficient. Once you're satisfied, click on the Create Analyzer button. AWS will now begin the analysis process, which may take a few moments. After the analyzer is created, it will start to evaluate your IAM roles and policies. You can monitor its progress on the Access Analyzer dashboard. Once the analysis is complete, you will receive a summary of the findings. In the summary, you can review unused permissions identified by the analyzer. To manage these unused permissions, click on any policy listed. AWS will provide specific recommendations for action. You can edit or delete permissions as necessary. Keep in mind that IAM permissions are crucial for your AWS security. It's advisable to assess the impact before any changes. When finished, regularly revisit the IAM Access Analyzer for ongoing monitoring. This proactive approach helps maintain a secure AWS environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.